Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize File Explorer in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's going to be very easy and simple video. So first you have to open the settings. I'm gonna search it in the search box, settings, and then you can open it. And in the settings, you can go to your system in the left side menu here. You can click on it and scroll down until you find advanced. You can click on it, and as you can see in the advanced here there is file explorer. You click, and then as you can see there's some option here. You can customize it, so maybe you want to show file extension. You can turn it on or turn it off. It's up to you. I prefer turn it on so I can see exactly what the extension is. And then you can choose if you want to show hidden and system files. I want to show it, so I'm turned it on. And you can also show full path in title bar. I prefer show full path so I can see the exact path of my files or my folders. And also if you want to show option to run as different user in start, it's up to you, but I turned it off. And last one, you can show empty drives if you want. It's up to you. I'm turned it off. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.